Polar 27-foot center console, twin 225 Yamaha 4-strokes. Both engines currently idling. Swim ladder. Transom seat that flips down. Storage center. Fish box port and starboard side. Big round live well. Fish box port side. Another nice storage locker over on the port side, same as starboard. Saltwater washdown hookup. Rod storage on the gunnels either side. Nice tackle storage drawers. Rod holders across the back. Rocket launchers with spreader lights. VHF radio on operational. Furuno NavNet GPS with radar. Gauge is showing engines running. Shift them both in and out of gear. Forward, neutral, reverse. Nice head compartment. AM/FM CD player. Get up towards the bow, got more storage and deck here. Seat in front of the helm, which is a cooler. All your nice bow seating up here with storage under that. Nice big fish box in the deck again forward. Anchor windlass with controls up at the bow also. That's your Polar 27-foot center console. Twin 225 Yamaha 4-strokes.